Hello my crafty friends, it's Jenny from OrigamiTree, and today we'll be making a miniature unicorn jar of hearts. So I'm going to be showing you how to make teeny weeny hearts out of paper, and also how I decorated the little miniature jar into a unicorn. But before we jump into the video, if you're new to my channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button, also that notification bell right next to the subscribe button to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. I post new crafty fun videos all year round. Would love for you to join me, and without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the unicorn jar of hearts, of course you're going to need a little mini jar. I got this one from Flying Tiger Copenhagen, but you can find them really on Amazon or any kind of craft store. I'll leave a link in the video description if you're interested. You'll need some flower embellishments, so I'm using some paper flowers from Recollections that I got from Michaels. 2 pieces of gold cardstock. So this is just really nice textured cardstock that I used in a previous project, but they're going to be used for making the unicorn horn and also the 2 ears. You'll need some string and ribbon. I'll be using white with a beautiful silver glittery trim. Some itty bitty scissors. Some glue. I'll be using Tacky Glue by Eileen's. And also many strips of colorful paper to make the hearts. So I'm going to start off by showing you how to make the paper heart. You need a strip of paper and also your mini pair of scissors for this. So we'll be working from right to left. So I'm going to take the bottom right hand corner, fold it diagonally to create a triangle. Next I'm going to fold it over to the left side along the vertical side. And then I'm going to fold it down. And now I'm just repeating that process from right to left, and all you have to do is maintain the shape of the triangle as you go along. Once you reach the very end, just fold it over and then unfold that flap. And now take your pair of scissors and cut diagonally to create a little arrow pointing to the right. Now you're going to stick that piece into that little slot right over there. Just slip it right in. And then taking the long side of the triangle, you're going to put your index finger, so I'm using my left hand, and you're going to push inwards to create an indentation right at the middle. Next, I'm just squeezing the upper right hand corner and also the upper left hand corner to kind of create that heart illusion. Then I'm taking my tiny pair of scissors and I am carefully cutting it into a semicircle so that it creates that nice round kind of cute heart shape you get at the very top. So I made a whole bunch of hearts. I didn't even bother to count how many I made. You can make as much as you want or as little as you want. It's not very necessary to fill up the entire jar. In fact, I kind of like that there's some emptiness in the inside. I'm just going to throw them into the jar and put the cork on. Next, we're working on the unicorn horn, and for this one, you just want to give a little pinch on the lower left-hand corner of the sheet of paper. And then you want to twist, and twist until you create a cone shape. Now we're just going to glue down that flap. And then cut with our itty bitty scissors to create a cone shape. Now I'm just putting some glue on the bottom of my unicorn horn and placing it right at the center of the cork. Now I'm just gluing flowers along the rim of my jar. I'll be using 6 mini flowers that I got from Michaels by Recollections. Now you can use bigger flowers or little flowers, or you can even hand make your own. Now we're going to focus on the ears of the unicorn. So I am going to cut out a triangle shape to make one of the ears, and then use that one as a template to make my second ear. So basically just stack the first ear on top of the rest of the sheet of paper and cut around it. Now I'm gluing my ears on, one on the right and one on the left. finally, I'm taking my string of ribbon and tying it around the top part of my jar, tying a cute little bow, and trimming it to size. And you are done with your unicorn hearts in a jar. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking around until the very end of the video. Be sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, be sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. Leave your comment below letting me know if you plan on making this unicorn jar of hearts, and also check out some of my other videos as well. I have over 300, maybe even 400 at this moment right now, so there's really something for everyone, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!